Deciphering words. Master the art of educated guesses. Hello, language explorers. Today we're diving into a fascinating aspect of vocabulary building: making an educated guess using context clues. We all come across words we don't understand from time to time, and sometimes we don't have a dictionary at hand. But don't worry. Learning how to make an educated guess about a word's meaning is an effective strategy to boost your comprehension. Let's get started. Context clues are bits of information that, when combined, can help you decipher the meaning of unfamiliar words. They're like detectives' hints, providing you with insights to solve the mystery word. Context clues may be in the form of synonyms, antonyms, explanations, or examples present in the same sentence or in the surrounding sentences. Making an educated guess isn't about randomly selecting a meaning. It's about piecing together clues to arrive at a probable meaning. Here's how to do it. 1. Read the sentence. Notice the unfamiliar word and the overall idea of the sentence. 2. Identify possible clues. Look for any synonyms, antonyms, explanations or examples around the unfamiliar word. 3. Formulate a guess. Based on the clues, guess what the word could mean. 4. Check your guess. Read the sentence again, replacing the unfamiliar word with your guessed meaning. Does it make sense in the context? Let's look at an example. The old man was loquacious, talking from dusk until dawn about his exciting adventures. Here, the unfamiliar word is loquacious. From the sentence, we understand that it has something to do with talking a lot. So, our educated guess for loquacious could be talkative. The best way to master this strategy is to practice. The more you use context clues to make educated guesses, the better you'll become. Start by reading diverse materials and challenge yourself to guess the meaning of unfamiliar words before looking them up. And that's it, folks. Remember, learning a language is a journey. The more strategies you have, the better equipped you are to navigate the path. Making educated guesses is not only fun, it also deepens your understanding of how words interact within sentences. So, put on your detective hat, start deciphering those unfamiliar words, and enjoy the process. See you in the next video.